Today's gonna be kind of a slow day. A very chill, fill your cup sort of video. I need to just recharge. I just have this desire to not be around anybody. Almost like self-isolation, but more or less it's just like I don't have energy. Been really needing today. Hello lovelies. So today's gonna be kind of a slow day. A very chill, fill your cup sort of video. I'm not feeling too great today. I've been very moody, very irritable, low energy. It might just be PMS, but either way, I need to just recharge. Drinking a cup of tea, making some cake, and reading a book are ways that I start to fill my cup. I have energy to be in the house and potter around, but I just have this desire to not be around anybody. Almost like self-isolation, but more or less it's just like I don't have energy. I've realized that for the past week and a half, every day I've been around somebody. I haven't had a day where the house is to myself, where I get like a good 8 hours of just to be me by myself, to do whatever I want, just like quiet. Been really needing today. Fridays are gonna be my day to just be at the house, do what I need to do. If I have energy to go somewhere, I have energy to go for somewhere, but if I just want to stay inside and read all day or do what I need to do, like I made plans last Friday and I'm glad that I did those things, but I realized that like, oh, it was an injection day and I was gonna be the only day that I would have had the house to myself. So yeah, lesson learned. Oh, she's so cute. I do have a curbside pickup to go and get a few groceries, but it's like I need those things to be able to eat food. I'm gonna go pick those up and then come straight back. So let's go get my HEB curbside groceries. Gonna go for a walk, but it looks like it might rain. Yeah, there's some lightning out there. It's probably not very happy. You feel the thunder, you feel the lightning. She's not a fan of storms. Right, Muff? It's gotten so dark and the birds are going crazy, so I think the storm's like almost here. So continuing on this self-care, the house isn't so messy, it's just kind of cluttered, untidy, and I really want to just, you know, go to bed in like some clean sheets. I spilled some water in the bed the other night. Not a good time. I definitely want to wash those sheets and go to bed in a really nice way. They say tidy house, tidy mind, and I feel that. I feel extra anxious when things just kind of aren't in the right place. So let's get to doing some laundry and putting dishes up and all the things and wait for the storm to come.
It's the same old story being told.
I put her in a bag so she feels safer. I'll be okay.
Born to be a man. I gotta tear this world apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head.
So it stopped raining. So I'm gonna eat my dinner and maybe watch some YouTubes. And afterward I'll just continue reading my book. I'm just taking it easy. Joe went to a coffee shop. He's giving me the house to myself for a couple more hours. I really appreciate that. Just need some me time. My dinner was so good. I made like a veggie sausage pot pie with gluten-free biscuit as the crust. It was just really cozy. I think something that fills me up with some colorful vegetables, something that's warm, makes me feel cozy and nice inside. And I don't know, it reminds me of my grandma. She used to make really nice warm foods, and it makes me miss her a little bit. A lot of it, really. Yeah, this book is getting really good. I'm over halfway through. It's The Last Letter from Your Lover. It's also like a movie on Netflix. I haven't seen it yet, but after the book I'm going to probably watch it. I'm so excited. I've been reading a lot lately. Oh, my laundry's done. I think because I read that book, Beautiful World, Where Are You? I read that fully in a day. It really just like, I don't know, it really like jump-started this really great reading drive. And I've just been reading while I'm brushing my teeth, and I've been reading during lunch at work, and I've been reading in the morning and at night. It's just like been really nice. I'm reading like 4 different books like all at once, and it makes me excited that I'm filling up my cup in ways that like I didn't know that like I really needed to. I majored in English with a creative writing emphasis, and I love reading. It sparks a creativeness in my mind and it makes me want to start writing again. I haven't written anything in a while and it kind of makes me sad, but I think reading is definitely like a good start to figuring out what I wanted to write about. So we'll see what happens. I'm feeling a little better. Got some good food in me. I've been reading. I've been taking it easy and cleaning and just making time for myself. I think that's so important. Whenever we feel a little run down, always just come back to basics and take care of yourself. It's so important. I hope that this video inspires you to take care of yourself too, because can't help others if our cups aren't full. So definitely recharging right now. Anyway, I'm gonna continue reading. I think it's 21. Rosemary water in my hair and brush it through. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do that every day for a week and see what happens, see if I get some good hair growth. It seems pretty interesting. It is 10 something at night and I'm pretty tired. I'm just gonna go to bed and start tomorrow fresh. And thanks for coming along with me today for a good, cozy, rainy self-care day. Hope you're enjoying the videos. I can't believe that we're so close to 150 subscribers. So happy to have you here. Yeah, I really appreciate you. To the bottom of my heart. Please comment down below. I love hearing from you. When I'm having a bad day, kind of like today, I like going through my responded comments and just seeing all of them. They're so sweet and so nice, and I love knowing that I made somebody's day with the video. It warms my soul, it fills me up and motivates me to create more, and I have channels that I watch that I like and help me through the day, so I'd love to be that for you guys too. Anyway, I gotta go to sleep, and I'll see you in the next video.